Hello students, we are going to start today's video by talking about the third and a very important type of landform, that is the plains. So what exactly are plains? Plains are large stretches of flat land or land which is flat. They are generally not more than 200 meters above the mean sea level. Some plains are extremely level. Extremely level means they're very plain. Others may be slightly rolling and undulating, means they might be up and down, not very plain. So, most of the plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. Please understand that the formation of plains is very important. So, it is the rivers and the tributaries which form the plains. Let us see how. So, the rivers flow down the slopes of mountains and erode them. They carry forward the eroded material. Then, they deposit their load consisting of stones, sand, silt along their courses and in their valleys. It is from these deposits that plains are formed. So basically, plains are formed by deposition of material like sand, silt, rocks, etc. Now, generally, the plains are very fertile. Construction of transport network is easy here. Thus, plains are very thickly populated, or a lot of people live in plains areas, regions of the world. Some of the largest plains made by rivers are found in Asia, North America. For example, in Asia, these plains are formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra in India and the Yangtze River in the China. So basically, in the North India, the plains that we have been made by the river Ganga. Now, plains are most useful for human habitation. There is great concentration of people as the more flat land is available for building houses. So basically, due to the flat land, people are able to build houses as well as use the land for cultivation. Now, because of fertile soils, the land is highly productive for cultivation. In India too, the Indo-Gangetic plains are the most densely populated regions of the country. Now, let us look at landforms and the people. Humans have been living on different kinds of landforms in different ways. Life is difficult in mountainous areas. Plains provide much better options. It is easy. Why? Because it is easy to grow crops in plains areas, as whereas in mountainous regions you are not able to practice agriculture to a very great extent. It is easy to build house on the road which is plain rather than a mountain. Now, sometimes natural calamities such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, storms, floods, which cause a lot of destruction, they occur here. So, huge loss of life and property takes place. But by creative awareness about such incidences, there can be a lower risk, or we may lower the risk of people dying. Now, you may find out from your own surroundings. In many ways we use land and water. So basically, if you look at the surrounding near you, you will see how people around you are using the land and the water resource. Quite often we use the land in a very wasteful manner, means we are just wasting the soil or the important materials which the land provides us. In the similar manner, for the example of construction. Okay. Similarly, we throw garbage on land or in water, which ultimately leads to them becoming dirty. We should avoid using such important gifts of nature in a very careless manner. Means we cannot be careless while we are dealing with the natural environment around us. We need to be very careful as to how much resources we have to use so that it doesn't go to waste. Similarly, we throw garbage on the land or in water, making them dirty. We also avoid using such important gifts of nature in a very careless manner. The available land is not only for our use, it is our duty to leave the earth a better place for the future generations as well. Let us look at this box over here. Do you know? Swachh Bharat Mission. Healthy mind lives in a healthy body, and for healthy body, clean environment, particularly clean water, air, hygienic surroundings are prerequisites. Prerequisite means very, very important. Swachh Bharat Mission, a Government of India program, aids to achieve all of these things for the people.